Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to understand the definite articles used by dative case. So let's start. Definite articles. As we have already done the definite articles used by nominative and accusative case. So before moving towards dative case, let's revise these articles. As we know, in nominative case, we use there for masculine nouns, D for feminine nouns, das for neutral nouns, and D for plural nouns. Now, accusative case. We use den for masculine nouns, D for feminine nouns, das for neutral nouns, and D for plural nouns. Now, let's come to our today's topic, dative case. We use them for masculine nouns, their for feminine nouns, them for neutral nouns, and then for plural nouns. We can see here masculine article there becomes then in accusative case, and from then it becomes them in dative case. But feminine, neutral, and plural articles are the same in nominative and accusative case. Only in dative case, feminine article D becomes der and neutral article das becomes dem and plural article D becomes den. We can understand this way also. Der Mann, masculine noun, becomes den Mann in accusative case and it becomes dem Mann in dative case. Feminine noun die Frau remains the same in accusative case, but it becomes der Frau in dative case. Neutral noun das Buch remains the same in accusative case, but it becomes dem Buch in dative case. Plural noun die Bücher remains the same in accusative case, but it becomes den Bücher in dative case. Okay, for clear understanding, let's see an example. Die Frau gibt dem Mann das Buch. The woman gives the man the book. In this sentence, die Frau is a subject, so it is in nominative case. Das Buch is a direct object, so it is in accusative case. Dem Mann is an indirect object, so it is in dative case. Let's try this way. Der Mann gibt der Frau das Buch. The man gives the woman the book. In this sentence, der Mann is a subject, so it is in nominative case. Das Buch is a direct object, so it is in accusative case. Der Frau is an indirect object, so it is in dative case. There are some prepositions which always take dative case. These are mit, nach, zu, aus, bei, seit, von. After these prepositions, we use dative case. For example, ich fahre mit dem Auto. I am traveling by a car. Dem Auto. Das Auto becomes dem Auto in dative case because after mit we use dative case. There are some verbs also which take dative case. So these verbs are called dative verbs. After these verbs, we use dative case. For example, helfen means to help. Helfen is a dative verb. So, after helfen, we use dative case. For example, die Frau hilft dem Mädchen. The woman helps the girl. Das Mädchen becomes dem Mädchen in dative case. So, that is all for today. Thanks for watching.